Good evening, you are watching Bangalore at 6:30. I'm Karthik Sharma.
And I'm Siddharth Maan. We'll bring you the top stories of the day. Prohibitory orders have been imposed to maintain law and order during the BBMP elections.
The Karnataka state government has sanctioned rupees 100 crore for organic farming.
Indian T20 World Cup team has been announced today.
Before we slip into the main segment, we have a breaking news coming up. A fire broke out in the basement cellar of Krish Furniture Components. Chief Fire Officer Mr. Erappa says it might be a short circuit. Around 80% of the raw materials were damaged, which cost more than 50 lakh rupees.
Prohibitory orders have been imposed in the city in the evening today to 28th March midnight. The step has been taken to maintain law and order in the city during BBMP elections.
The only toilet that was present in Chamundi Nagar slum, which is home to over 400 houses, has been locked for over a year now. Venkatesh Nayak reports.
The Chamundi Nagar slum in Deepanjali Nagar ward has around 370 huts but no drainage system. The people staying here have no access to toilets.
Men and women find it difficult to go to the toilets. This is a very big problem.
The toilet, which was built in 2006 for the slum dwellers of Chamundi Nagar, has been locked for over a year now.
The toilet has been closed for a year now. This is too much of a problem.
Indira Jairam, the Janata Dal secular candidate contesting from the Deepanjali Nagar ward, is aware of the lack of basic amenities in Chamundi Nagar slum.
Chamundi Nagar is a slum.
Chamundi Nagar is a slum. There are no road, no water and no sanitation.
Hanumanta Raju, the assistant engineer of Bangalore Water Supply and Sewage Board in Deepanjali Nagar, said that he was unaware of the Chamundi Nagar slum and its problems. This is Venkatesh Nayak for IJNM.
In Ambedkar Colony Yashwantpura ward, there is only one public water tap to provide drinking water. There are no connections in houses. Karthik Sharma brings us more.
People in Ambedkar Colony are themselves repairing the drainage system, investing their own money. Residents complain that there is no support from administration.
We complained to BBMP many a times, but they did not do anything. We the people of the area have got together and we are collecting the money and repairing the drainage pipes.
Community leader says that there is only one water tap on which the residents are dependent for the water needs.
Ambedkar Nagar, there is about 65 houses, but there is only one tap. There is only one tap there, about 65 houses, and it's a very major problem, and people are not getting for getting this water. They'll have to wait almost 2 days. No personal house connections there.
From last 50 years, members from same family are becoming corporators in
almost 3 to 4 decades. There is one particular family which is ruling the entire ward here. If you say ward number 37, which was earlier ward number 3, Yashwantpur has been ruled by one particular family. But
JDS contestant raises the issues of money distribution during elections.
Ambedkar Nagar is completely slum area. So in slum areas, they always in the elections, people come, give money and take votes and they'll run away.
There is the ex-corporator Venkatesh says that because of the gap in the BBMP election, he was not able to do sufficient work for the area. From Bangalore, this is Karthik Sharma for IJNM.
With that, we slip into a short break. We have a lot more coming up, so stay tuned.